So this is the Monsters, the Coca-Cola. This is a demo. And then this is the Forest Party. All right, let's open up the Forest Party. Let's see. Let's see what fun creatures we get to add to our studio here. Oh, it's the Christmas tree. Here's the Christmas tree.
What color is it? What color did I see?
Oh, it's the green one. Looky, isn't that cute? When you're drinking, you have a little friend. Oh, here it is. Looky, look at the Coke bottle. Very cute. Oh, I like the tag. Now this is a cute tag. This, okay, yeah, I'm gonna hang that on my tree. Okay, there we go. Energy guy, Mr. Coke bottle guy, another Christmas tree guy, and we have Mr. Demo, a new one to the addition.